Welcome everyone to another tech review. Today we're looking at something that truly stands out in the market. If you've ever dreamt of launching your own custom apparel business, or perhaps you're an existing small business owner struggling with slow, messy, or unreliable printing, then stop what you're doing. Because what I'm about to show you could be the game changer you've been waiting for, the Lancelot M1630 Pro DTF printer bundle. This isn't just a printer. It's an ultimate automatic t-shirt printing station designed to empower startups and small businesses. Now let's dive straight into what makes this bundle an absolute powerhouse. One of the biggest headaches for any printer owner is maintenance, especially when you need a break. Imagine this. You've been working hard, you need a vacation, or maybe you have an unexpected family emergency. You shut down your printer, cross your fingers, and hope it works when you get back. Most printers? They'll greet you with a nightmare of clogged print heads, wasted ink, and hours of frustrating cleaning. But the Lancelot M1630 Pro? It laughs in the face of clogged nozzles, thanks to its revolutionary smart holiday mode. This isn't just a gimmick. It's a brilliant piece of engineering that automatically maintains ink flow during breaks, vacations, or storage. You can step away, worry-free, knowing your investment is protecting itself, ensuring seamless restarts, and saving you countless hours and dollars in maintenance and lost production. That's real peace of mind for any entrepreneur. But it's not just about smart maintenance. It's about smart, efficient production from the get-go. Forget sprawling setups, tangled wires, and complicated machinery that takes days to assemble. The Lancelot M1630 Pro isn't just a printer. It's an entire, self-contained, all-in-one production hub. This bundle includes an intelligent powder shaker, a heater dryer, and a sturdy mobile workstation. What does that mean for you? It means you can transform virtually any space, your garage, a spare room, a small office, into a fully functional print studio in minutes. There's no tedious setup. You just load your design. The machine automatically shakes, prints, and dries with military-grade precision. This incredible integration streamlines your entire workflow, drastically reducing setup time and getting you to profitability faster. It's about maximum output with minimum footprint and effort. Now, let's talk performance. Because what good is convenience if your prints aren't top tier? This is where the Lancelot M1630 Pro truly shines, dominating the competition with its pro-level speed and quality. Equipped with advanced Epson XP600 F1080 print heads, this machine is a speed demon, boasting speeds up to 2 times faster than traditional DTG, L1800, or our 1390 DTF printers. Think about that. Double the output, double your potential earnings. And the quality? Absolutely stunning. We're talking 720x 1440 dpi photo clarity on literally any material. Cotton, polyester, hats, bags, even tricky materials like leather, nylon, and various blends that traditional DTG struggles with. This DTF revolution means no pretreatment is needed, saving you another 30% in setup time and opening up a world of printing possibilities. Your designs will pop with vibrant colors that outlast competitors, especially on dark fabrics, giving your brand that undeniable professional edge. The Lancelot M1630 Pro isn't just a product. It's a fully fledged, future-proof business solution designed to help you succeed. It even comes as a business-ready bundle with a plug-and-play DTF laptop preloaded with software and 24/7 expert support. You can literally be profiting within hours, not weeks. So, if you're ready to stop dreaming and start doing, to scale your business, or to finally launch that passion project with professional results and minimal headaches, the Lancelot M1630 Pro is your ultimate partner. Don't just take my word for it. Check out the Lancelot M1630 Pro for yourself. You can. Find all the details, specifications, and purchase options via the link right down in the description below.